Always for the caps. Well, I think I need to explain this. My name is Popalow. I used to be human. Those were the days. I live in the forest. My house is made of old metal, but sometimes I move it. I collect bottle caps, but don't ask me why, and drive this little car. It's electric. My human brain was transferred to a USB stick moments before I died. I visit my gravesite when I feel down, thinking of the sweet life I had. Well, that's it for now. You know too much already. I will be back soon. Always for the caps.